In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the folders and the preferences that you can use in terms of sorting out your emails as well. So once you've logged into Webmail through the control panel, you obviously come straight into the inbox. If you'd like to see an overview of what's going on within your Webmail, if you click on Webmail here under mailboxes, and it will give you an email summary, tip of the day, and account synchronization. You generally don't need to worry about this. So what we'll do is we'll go straight into the inbox, and you can obviously see the emails. If you'd like to read the email, just click on the subject or anywhere on that line, and it will automatically show you the email that you've received below. If you want to open this in a new window, all you do is look above here, above the subject and the date, and you'll see a little box here which, if you hover over, says open message in new window. So literally click on that and it opens up the email in a new window that you can move around on your screen wherever you want to. So we'll just close that. On the left hand side we've got the mailboxes and the folders available. When you want to create your own folders, if you want to sort some emails, what you do is hover over folders, right click and say new folder. And then in here what you'll do is call it, let's say, test folder, add folder. Okay, so now automatically that will put it under personal. Once that folder's in, you obviously have no emails in there. If you right click on test folder, you've got a few more options as well in terms of renaming it, obviously deleting it, and you can create subfolders and other folders there. So obviously we've got no emails in here at the moment. If you want to move an email, say from the inbox to the test folder, okay, so if you want to move an email from, say, the inbox to the test folder, if you come up to the email itself, click on the tick box next to it, and where it says underneath move, if you select test folder or whichever folder you want to send it to, highlight and click and then say move, and straight away that message has disappeared. Now if we go into test folder, you'll see that it's there. There are ways of automatically setting the emails up to go straight into folders. Now if you scroll down a bit underneath the folders, if you click on email filters, under here we've obviously got the option to sort emails. So let's say, for instance, that any emails that are sent from stu@stuart-design.co.uk, any emails that come through with that, or what you can do is put an email subject if you have correspondence that you always use the same subject or reference number, put that in here and then click on the drop down box and select which folder you want to automatically move it to, and then say add email sort. Now underneath you've got the drop down box that's got all the different types of email sorting that you've already set up. If you want to delete one, for instance, say you've got a long list and you want to delete one, make sure the one you want is selected and you can say delete entry, and straight away it's gone. And you can have as many of these as you'd like. Underneath the email filters, you've also got the details on all your mailboxes and all your folders. So as you can see here, it's telling me the name of the mailbox, and test folder is the one I've just set up, how many emails are in there, how large it is, and then you can also delete it. I wouldn't advise this until you've removed all the emails out of there. You can also rename a personal folder through here by selecting the drop down box and selecting the folder you want to rename. And let's say we want to change the name to test2, for instance. Type in the new name, click on rename, and straight away, as you can see over here, under personal, which is where any folders that you add in, under personal it's changed the name already, which is then filtered through to everywhere else. So that's the folder and email sorting.